Hello. Today I'm going to talk to you about several accessibility features that are available on Windows 7. At the end of this video, you should know how to utilize the magnifier feature, the on-screen keyboard, and how to increase the size of text to meet your needs. Let's get started. The first tool I'm going to talk to you about is the magnifier tool. To get to the magnifier tool, you want to start by going to the Start menu in the bottom left-hand corner, clicking on Control Panel, which is fourth from the bottom in the right-hand column. You want to go to Ease of Access, which is bottom of the right-hand column, and you want to click on the Ease of Access Center. Here you'll see many different ease of access tools that Microsoft 7 offers, and you want to click on Start Magnifier, which is the top option here. And as you can see, it automatically gets bigger. Now you have several options here when using the magnifier. Whenever you wish to change your settings, you go to the magnifying glass here in the upper left, and you left click. This brings up the menu. As you can see, you can zoom in or out as much as you need, from 200% all the way to 1600%. Now, if you don't like moving about like this because it's so big, you can change it. You go to Views, which is right of the zoom in, zoom out function, and you can click on Lens. What this does is everything is set to 100%, but as you move your lens over it, it gets larger. So those are two ways that you can increase the size of text, and that will help you make it easier to see what you're reading if you have poor eyesight. The next accessibility feature I want to show you is the on-screen keyboard. And this is a good feature for someone who finds it hard to use a regular keyboard and would rather just use the mouse instead. So to access the on-screen keyboard, you want to go to the Start menu in the bottom left corner, to the Control Panel, to the Ease of Access, and to the Ease of Access Center. Now the on-screen keyboard menu or starting button is right below the magnifier. You click on it and it comes up. This is the on-screen keyboard. You can move it to wherever you need it to be, and if you find it hard to see it that small, you can make it bigger to any size you need it to be. So just to show you, we'll go here and we will try and Google movies. So M-O-V, and as you can see here, it offers you options of what it thinks that you might be typing in. So movies, it'll immediately fill out, and you can hit the enter button, and there you go. So this is a very good tool if you find it hard to use your regular keyboard and want to use a digital keyboard that you can see on the screen, and that is the keys are as big as you need them to be. The final accessibility feature that I want to show you is how to increase the size of your text. Now to do this, you want to go to the Start menu, to Control Panel, and this time, instead of going to Ease of Access, you want to go to Appearance and Personalization, which is 2 options above it. Next, you want to go to Display, which is second from the top. And here you can see the option to increase the size of what is on the screen without using the magnifier tool. The magnifier tool is just a temporary way of making things bigger. With this, you can make it either 125 or 150% larger for the boxes and everything on your screen. But if you do this, you have to know that some items may not fit on your screen if you choose the 150% option. So to do this, you have to log off, but once you log back in, everything will be larger. Now, if you want to increase your size of your text, you go to Set Custom Text Size, which is the bottom option on the left-hand column. This will open up a new menu, which will show you how to change your DPI setting. DPI is dots per inch, and that is the size of each pixel on your screen. So here we see that we can scale your DPI from 100%, what it is set at, 125%, 150%, and to 200%. What this does is it makes your pixels larger. So here we see the same font size, but with a different amount of pixels per inch. So here is a 9-point Seago font at 96 pixels per inch. And here is the same font with 9-point at 192 pixels per inch. So, if you change it, as you can see, your font size has changed. So that is the end of this presentation. In this presentation, you have learned how to use the magnifier feature, how to use the on-screen keyboard, and how to increase your text size. Hopefully, this will help you use your computer easier, and thank you for watching my video.